Hello, welcome to my channel Speak with Math. In this video, I am going to solve problems related to the introductory part of trigonometric functions. Look at the first question. Find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measures. We know that 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. That is pi radian is equal to 180 degree and 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree and 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Now the first question is you have to convert 25 degree to radian measures. That is 1 degree is what? Pi by 180 into pi by 180 radian. Then 25 degree is what? 25 into pi divided by 180 is equal to 5 pi by 36 radian. Now the second one is 240 degree. That is 240 into pi by 180 is equal to 24 pi by 18 is equal to 4 by 3 pi radian. Now the third one is minus 47 degree 30 minute. How we convert this 30 minute into degree? We know that 1 degree is divided into 60 minute. Then 30 minute is what? Half degree. So 47 degree 30 minute is minus 47 1 by 2 degree. Then the radian measure of 47 half degree is 47 half into pi by 180. That is 47 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into pi by 180. That is 95 by 2 into pi divided by 180. Minus 95 divided by 2 into pi by 180. That is equal to minus 19 by 2 into 36 pi is equal to minus 19 by 72 pi. Now the second question is find the degree measures corresponding to the following radian measures. First one is 11 divided by 16. 11 by 16 radian. Here we can use this equation. That is 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Then 11 by 16 radian is equal to 11 by 16 into 180 divided by pi. Value of pi is 22 divided by 7. 11 by 16 into 180 by 2, 22 into 7. Then after simplification we get 315 divided by 8 is equal to 39.375 degree. Is equal to 39 degree. How we convert 0.375 degree to minute? That is 0.375 into 60 minute. 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes, then 0.375 degree is 0.375 into 60 minutes, that is 22.5, 22 minutes. Now this 0.5 minute into 60 second gives the corresponding value in seconds, that is 30 seconds. So the final answer is 39 degree 22 minute 30 second. Second one is -4, that is -4 into 180 divided by pi. After simplification we get -229.091 degree, that is after multiplication and this division we get -29.091 degree, that is -229 degree. 0.091 degree is 0.091 into 60 minute gives the minute value, that is some 5.46 minute. So here 5 minute and 0.46 into 60 second gives the second value corresponding to the minute value. 0.46 into 60 second, that is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then we get 28 seconds. That is the final answer is -229 degree 5 minute 28 second. Now the third one is pi by 3 radian. So 5 pi by 3 into 180 by pi gives the degree value, that is 5 by 3 into 180, that is 300 degree. Now the third question, a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute, that is wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. 1 minute is what? 60 second, that is in 60 second the wheel makes 360 revolution, that is in 1 second it makes 360 divided by 60 revolution, that is 6 revolution. So the wheel makes 6 revolution in 1 second. The wheel makes 6 revolution in 1 second. So we know that one complete revolution means makes an angle of 2 pi radian. So for one complete revolution the angle is 2 pi radian. One complete revolution makes an angle of 2 pi radian. Then 6 revolution makes 6 into 2 pi radian angle, that is 12 pi radian. So this is the answer. In 12 pi radian the wheel turns in 1 second. Now the fourth one is the minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. Consider if this is the watch and this is the minute hand of the watch. This is the initial position, and in this question it is given that the minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. That is 1.5 centimeter is the radius of the circle. Then we have to find how far does it tip move in 40 minutes. How far this tip moves in 40 minutes. Here we know that in 60 minute the minute hand of a watch completes 1 revolution. In 60 minutes the minute hand of a watch complete 1 revolution. So in 40 minutes it completes, if you divide 60 into 3 equal parts, 40 is what? 2/3 of 60. So in 40 minutes it makes 2/3 of a revolution. So the final position of the watch is, final position of the minute hand is here. That is 2/3 of a revolution. Now therefore theta is what? One complete revolution makes an angle 360 degree. Here it is 2/3 of revolution means 2/3 into 360 degree, or in radian it is 2/3 into 2 pi radian, that is 4 pi/3 radian. Now we know the equation arc length L is equal to R into theta. Here we have to find the arc length, that is the length of the movement or tip from the initial point to the final point, that is called the arc length. L is equal to what? 1.5 centimeter into theta is 4 pi/3 is equal to 4/2 into 3.14 is equal to 2 into 3.14 is equal to 6.28 centimeter. So in 40 minutes the tip moves 6.28 centimeter. From here to here 6.28 centimeter. Now the final question is, if in 2 circles arc of the same length, so the arc length is same for both the circle, and subtend angles 60 degree and 75 degree at the center. So theta 1 for the first circle 60 degree and theta 2 is what? 75 degree. This is for the second circle. Find the ratio of their radii, that is R1 is to R2. Here the arc length is same for the 2 circles, means arc length L is equal to R into theta is equal to R1 into theta 1 for the first circle and R2 into theta 2 for the second circle. Then now we have to convert this degree measure into radian measure for using this equation. Then 60 degree is what? 60 into pi/180, that is pi/3 radian. Here 75 into pi divided by 180 is equal to 15 pi/36. So theta 1 is equal to pi/3 and theta 2 is equal to 15 pi by 36. These are the radian value corresponding to 60 and 75. Then L is equal to R1 into theta 1 is equal to R2 into 15 pi divided by 36 is equal to, pi will cancel, then R1 by 3 is equal to R2 into 15 by 36, or R1 by R2 is equal to 15 into 3 divided by 36, that is 15 by 12 is equal to 5 by 4, or R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. So the ratio of the radii are R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. Thank you.